How am I supposed to land with so many birds on the runway?
Don't worry, Spirit, I got you. Just tell me where to aim.
Whoa, chill out, man. There are also people down there.
Tell them to go away because I'm going to clear that runway in 10 seconds.
No, wait. We must find a better way.
You want me to fly close to the airport and scare them off? Bet.
No, that's too risky.
You want to tell me that Spirit Airlines is afraid of risk? It doesn't sound like you, pal.
Look, just please stay where you are. There's no need to help.
This really doesn't sound like Spirit. Did you get hijacked by Delta or something?
No, it's just that my wife is listening to us talk right now.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Whatever you say.